Okay, so for question number 11, right, we are given with the distribution below, which gives the marks of 80 students in a test. And this is a less than graph with the information, and we have to find the model class of the distribution. And the model class of the distribution is the one with the highest frequency. So let's get this converted into the class intervals. The first class interval is less than 10, which is 0 to 10. The next one would be 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, and then 50 to 60. Okay, now let's find out the frequency. And for 0 to 10, less than 10, the frequency is 3, but for 10 to 20, the frequency is not 12 because this frequency is for less than 20. So for less than 20, we have 12 observations, and among these 12 observations, we have 3 that are less than 10. So for between 10 and 20, we have 9. So we have to subtract this. 12 minus 3 is 9. 27 minus 12 is 15. 57 minus 27 is 30. 75 minus 57 is 8, 18. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 80 minus 75 is 5. Okay, so the class with the highest frequency is the model class, and which is 34. And let's move on to question number 12. So for question number 12, it's given the curved surface area of a cone has to be evaluated, and the height of the cone. So the height of the cone is 24 centimeters. So height is equal to 24 centimeter, and radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Now the curved surface area of the cone we all know is given by pi into r into L. Pi is 22 by 7. We are going to take 22 by 7 because the radius is 7, so this gets cancelled with 7. Now L square is equal to h square plus r square, and L is equal to under root of h square plus r square. So this is under root h square plus r square. So this is 22 into under root h. Height is 24 cos square, 24 square, and radius is 7 square. So 24 square is 576, 7 square is 579, which will give us 6 under root 625, and 22 into 25 is 550 centimeter square. So C is the correct option. Okay, now let's move on to find the distance between the points. So distance between 2 points is given by the distance formula. So let's say these coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2. And we know that the distance between the points is given by x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So x2 is minus 2 root 5 minus 0 the whole square, and y2 is 0 minus y1, which is 2 root 5 the whole square. This whole thing is under root. So this is minus 2 root 5 the whole square plus minus 2 root 5 the whole square. Okay, so this is 2, it's 20, and 20, which is under root 40, and under root 40 is 4 into 10. So this can be written as 4 into 10, and root of 4 is 2, so this is 2 root 10 units. So 2 root 10 units, the option A. Okay, for the 14th, we have to find the quadratic polynomial which has the zeros. So our zeros are, let's say, alpha is equal to minus 2 by 3 and beta is equal to 2 by 3. So quadratic polynomial is given by x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product. So sum of zeros is minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into x, and product of zeros is negative 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, so this gets cancelled, and this is x square minus, so this is 0, and we have minus 4 by 9, so this can be written as 9x square minus 4 is the polynomial. And if we check the given options, so this is not 9x square minus 4, this is not the one, it's not the one. This can be the one which has y, which is a constant. So our correct option is option B. Okay, for 15 question is given that value of each observation of statistical data is increased by 3, then the new mean will remain unchanged, increases by 3, increases by 6, or increases by 3. Okay. Now we know that the mean of data is given by sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. This is question number 15. And xi is the observation. So new observation is now 3 times the old observation. This is the new observation. So new mean would be sigma fi, and observation is 3 times full observation by sigma fi. So 3 is constant, it's out. So this is 3 sigma fi by fi, and this is mean. So new mean is 3 times the old mean. So it increases by 3 is the correct option. Okay, for question number 16, it's given that what is the probability of happening an event. So let's say the probability of happening an event is P, and probability of non-happening of the events, that is probability of not P is equal to Q. So what is the relation between P and Q? So we know that probability of E plus probability of E naught is equal to 1. So probability of E is P, probability of E naught is Q. So relation is P plus Q is equal to 1. So P plus Q is equal to 1 is the correct option, which is option A. And let's move on to the next page. And next page